Inter-School Multi-Sports event Skillo Behraich 2025 began today at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Behraich with great enthusiasm. The event features 1,500 students from 20 schools competing in 8 sports disciplines. The program was inaugurated by Pragya Tripathi, MLC Behraich and Shravasti, who attended as chief guests. Addressing the gathering, she appreciated the talent and discipline of students and praised the efforts of organizers. She said, sports build confidence, discipline, and leadership in children. The united efforts of schools to promote sports is truly commendable. I congratulate NAPSA for creating this platform.
The 3 days mega event will feature a wide range in sports competition, including kabaddi, cricket, football, badminton, along with other several indoor and outdoor games.
The event is being organized by the Non-Aided Private School Association Behraich. NAPSA President and owner of KPS Public School, Shri Ajit Pratap Singh, along with Secretary Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, were present to encourage the participants.
As Skillo Behraich comes to a memorable close, our talented students have given us countless reasons to smile with pride. With an incredible achievement of 12 gold, 14 silver and 8 bronze medals, our young champions secured a total of 34 medals, reflecting their dedication, discipline and never give up spirit. Each medal tells a story of hard work, teamwork and determination. This remarkable performance has not only brought laurels to the competition but has also made the entire Japuria family extremely proud. Congratulations to our stars. You played with heart, you competed with courage and you proved that excellence truly lives at Japuria.
Begin with a proud moment for our school community.
At the Open State Taekwondo Championship held in the Kanpur 5th to the 7th December 2025, our young champions have delivered outstanding performances.
First, Ahana Singh from class 1st Attitudes has got a gold medal in Taekwondo, showcasing her remarkable skill at such a young age.
Meanwhile, Adya Singh of class 6th Attitude has shone brightly with 2 medals, a silver in fight and a gold in pole vault.
Adding to the glory, Adya has also been selected for the nationals, marking a milestone in her Taekwondo journey.
In an initiative aimed at promoting mental well-being and emotional balance among students, a basic Sundarshan Kriya was conducted under the guidance of Dr. Shraddha Singtamkaram, the Art of Living Faculty, meditator, yoga teacher, director, spine care programs, physiotherapist and acupressure trainer. The practice follows the teaching of spiritual leader Sri Ravi Shankar. Thank you.
School authorities stated that such holistic wellness programs. This session was designed to help students cope with stress, anxiety and challenges arising from their academic pressure and daily routines. Students were introduced to structured breathing techniques and mindfulness-based practices, which helped them experience calmness, improved mental clarity and renewed energy. The initiative highlights the institution's commitment to fostering not only academic excellence but also students' mental, emotional and their well-being. It encourages them to lead a balanced and healthy life.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's free practice week. I am your anchor and today we bring you a colorful highlight from our Pink Day celebration.
Thank you. Today our UKG stars enjoyed a fun and learning-filled Pink Day. Children explored how pink color is made by mixing red and white using syringe. They observed color changes, made predictions and learned through hand-on activities. They also filled beautiful pictures and by using sponge dabbing and color mixing, which helped improve their creativity, thinking skills and fine motor development. Learning was joyful, playful and full of smiles.
That's all for today from our free primary stars. Thank you and have a fantastic day.
A festive atmosphere prevailed at St. M.R.J. School Behraich as the institution celebrated Christmas Day on 25 December with great enthusiasm. Students were seen enjoying the celebration wholeheartedly as the campus involved with music, laughter and cheers. The event featured energetic dance performance, joyful Christmas songs and variety of fun activities. days. The highlight of the celebration was the arrival of Santa Claus, who delighted the children by distributing toffees and chocolates. The celebration brought smiles to every face and concluded on a happy note, spreading the message of joy, love, and togetherness among the student and staff.
We are the best.